Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can take the top part and also the base off your Dyson fan. This model number is AM07. So to take the top bladeless fan bit off, we need to hold the bottom bit while turning this anti-clockwise. You only have to turn it a couple of centimeters. To make it easier, I'm actually going to grip this in my legs here and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise a couple of centimeters. And it won't go no further, and then you can just lift it up. So that's nice and straightforward. To put it back, you just line up the front of your fan here with this bit that says air multiplier technology, which is the front of the bladeless fan bit. And you see, you just turn it a little bit counterclockwise until it drops in. So that's it, straight down, turn it a little bit, drops in, and then again, grip it in your legs or grip hold of this and just turn it clockwise. And that is now locked into place. So it's nice and easy to take on and off, just like that. There. Now, to do the base, I'm going to take this off because it will be easier for me. We're going to spin it over, and we have a little bit here that we need to lift up. So right now, I can't take it off because this thing is hitting against here. So I'm just going to lift it up like that, doing it away from me, and now turn it, and you can see the whole thing comes off. So it locks in there, just do that, and it comes off. To put it back on, hopefully you will still have your sticker that says number 1 here. You line that up with number 1 here, and then you move it until it gets to number 2 and it will click into place, just like so. And now it's locked back in. If you don't have the sticker because you removed it, then all you have to do is look where the power cable goes in and go to the point opposite there. Put your click opposite the lead, like so. And now all we have to do is do it clockwise until it locks into place, and now the base is back on. Nice and straightforward. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.